to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a Forex chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. And as discussed and as expected, DXY is in downtrend, trading at 101.83. Yesterday, we saw some temporary upside on the chart of DXY, but as we have already discussed in our previous videos also, that overall the structure is very weak, both fundamentally and technically. So as a result, the overall trend of DXY is very much towards the downside. Slowly and slowly it is heading. It is heading towards the next support of 101.25. And if the same selling pressure continues, and if no fundamentals or news come for rescue, then we may see DXY breaking 101.25 and going down further. Again, I'm repeating that we do not have any news or any technical factor that will bring a trend reversal. Both fundamentally and technically, DXY is weak right now. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. So this is the chart of Euro USD. Just the opposite of DXY, Euro USD is an uptrend. We have talked about the resistance level, resistance level of 1.0925 to 1.0940 in a previous video, and yesterday we saw market reversing from 1.0928. So the resistance level, we expected worked very nicely. So my dear friends, so today if market goes up again, today there is a higher chance that market will break 1.092728 level, the previous high, and head towards the trend line here. So from today the market may reverse from the trend line instead of the previous high here, because see, there is a bitter reality of the market which is known as stop loss hunting. So today there is a possibility that market will go for some SL hunting. Market will hit the trend line and reverse again. If it does that, if you see market reversing from 1.0940 1.095055 level, you can take a sell position, but do not take a sell position immediately once you see market in this range. That can be very risky, because overall the Euro USD is an uptrend. So taking a sell position on the chart of Euro dollar is taking a trade against the trend of the market. And on the other hand, DXY is also very weak. Yesterday we saw these candles because internally there was some temporary upside on DXY. But what is the overall trend? The overall trend is downtrend. Means the sellers are dominating DXY, buyers are dominating Euro USD. So please be careful and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So on beginners you can also avoid. And in our previous video, we also talked about the possible support around the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average worked perfectly. Surprisingly, the 50 moving average is playing a very good role. And my dear friends, before I proceed further, I would like to mention that the workshop, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, is back after 2 months. So my dear friends, if you really like my work, if you really are serious about trading, then you can consider joining the workshop. Because I have been dealing with this stuff for around 10 years. As you can see that I have already laid down a questionnaire, so you don't need to join immediately, because the workshop is not designed for everyone. This is not for complete beginners. This has been designed mostly for traders who have been struggling with the market for months and years. If you're unable to make consistent profit in the market, then you can consider joining the workshop. But if you're a complete beginner, then you can look for some other options. That's why I have there's a questionnaire. Once you open the Pro Trader program, and you'll also see that my story is also mentioned, so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Because the workshop, the workshop will definitely try to change your life. We have been doing that for almost 2 years, because I have also joined the Pro Trader and the workshop. Here you can see that after the workshop you'll also receive support for 1 whole month. Okay, how you receive? You'll receive regular market analysis, you'll receive trade setups, you'll receive advanced and beginner lessons. Okay, everything. Okay, everything just for a price of 1,000 or $15 only. And the next date is 2, 3, 4 of Feb. So if you're interested, okay, then you can just WhatsApp on the number given below after the payment. The workshop will be conducted in both हिंदी and दोनों लैंग्वेज में होता है ठीक है Please go through the Pro Trader program. Okay, I have combined Pro Trader and a workshop. Okay, so that you can get full support after the workshop, 1 month support. The link is in the description. Hopefully you will love it if you're looking for some learning. Okay, this is not a signal service at all. If you're looking for signal service, then you can look for just Google's professional signal service. Okay, there are multiple options available online. So my dear friends, we are back again. Yes, and if you're looking for signal service, okay, then you can also consider signing up for Chart Prime. Okay, I'll explain in the at the end of the video. Okay. So my dear friends, if market comes down, then observe the market again near the 50 moving average, because the 50 moving average is playing the role of support very nicely. Okay, very nicely. So today you have the 50 moving average, but this time I think that you must be careful because already market has been testing the 50 moving average quite some time. Okay, so instead of 50 moving average, you can also focus on the trend line, which is 1.0840, around this level. Okay, around this level you can focus the market. If market breaks this level, okay, if market breaks this level, then you have 1.08, sorry, 0825 level. This is a whole support zone in the market. This is a whole support zone in the market. There's a good chance that market will be taking support and market bouncing from this level here. And in case market breaks it, in case the DXY shows an upside, good amount of upside today, then wait for the market to come down to 1.0775 or 70 level, because if you are a EURUSD lover, then you know it very well that this level was a very strong support just few days ago. Okay, so in case market breaks the 50 moving average, market breaks the trend line, then definitely we can expect the market to take support around this level. The strongest support, okay, the strongest support on the chart of euro dollar or euro USD are 1.0775 and 1.0720. The levels, two levels that I have mentioned here. But day traders, you can look for some support around the trend line, the 50 moving average, as well as 1.070825 to 1.0840 level. Okay. So multiple levels on the chart. Okay, we have only one resistance here because the market is an uptrend. We should not forget that. Okay, so this is it, my dear friends. If you're looking for signals, then please watch the next part of the video where I'll be talking about the chart prime. Bye bye. Take care. Before we proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who has sponsored today's video. Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. Chart Prime has been designed for serious traders only, because along with buy and sell signals, you can use the tools for additional confirmation in your analysis. They have a trading community on Discord as well, where they post regular trading ideas. My dear friends, I have been using Chart Prime. I have backtested Chart Prime for a couple of months, and their service, their signals are really unmatched. This is the chart of Euro USD. You can see the chart of Euro USD for the last 4 days. The signals generated by Chart Prime are quite excellent. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Possible reversal down, it means that we should go for a sell position. Possible reversal up, it means that we should go for a buy position. You can also backtest Chart Prime in your trading platform. You'll see that their service, the signals are really great, because they also use support resistance. They also have a oscillator where they use divergence and many other stuff. Okay, you can usually see that it becomes very easy for you to make 15 to 20 pips on regular basis if you trade on lower time frame like 15 minutes, and on higher time frames, signals generated by Chart Prime will fetch you around 50 to 60 pips. But yes, if you are a serious trader, you can definitely give a try to chart prime. We know it very well that no trading service, no indicator is 100% accurate. So my dear friends, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. But yes, with proper risk management and a tool like ChartPrime, you can definitely go a very long way. I will add the link in description to avail 30% discount right now. Please use the link in the description. You may also scan the code in the screen right now for faster registration. Make sure to check them out.